Good morning, my name is Julia, and the reading for the scripture this morning is from Psalm 34, verse 18. The Lord is close to the brokenhearted and saves those who are crushed in spirit. How does the Lord bring restoration and healing to our spirit? Through His word and communication and fellowshipping with Him. Now, we all know what it is to suffer loss. Someone who we love dies, divorce, no longer able to do the things we used to do. Somebody who's injured us deeply and crushed us in spirit. You know, the whole list goes on. And as I was contemplating these things, I was thinking, clearly the scripture came to mind, Isaiah 61. Beauty for ashes, the oil of joy instead of mourning. And I thought, what are our ashes? I've just given a list of some of them, and we've all got our own lists of hurts, confusion, pain, loss. And these are our ashes. And then I was thinking about something as it stirred in my spirit. 40 years ago or thereabouts, I asked the Lord for something, and I asked Him again, and it came up again over the years, and it's never happened, and it's never going to happen now. And I thought, that's a little pile of one of my ashes. What do I do with those ashes? And I suddenly thought, I need to scoop up those ashes and give them to Jesus. And you know, when I did that, I haven't got words to describe what happened. It was like warm oil pouring over me. The love just enveloped me, through me, under me, over me, and it was so precious as I gave the Lord my disappointments, loss of expectation. And you know, we've all got ashes. And as I look at those two scriptures from Psalm 34, the Lord is close to the brokenhearted and saves those who are crushed in spirit. And Isaiah 61, beauty for ashes, the oil of joy instead of mourning. And as you ponder on these things, take them for the day. God bless you. Have a good day.